Welcome to our quick guide on how to view recent security activity on Gmail using your PC. With the latest updates, keeping your account secure has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged into your inbox, look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of the page. This icon represents the settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select See All Settings. This will take you to a new page with more detailed options. Next, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab at the top. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Other Google Account Settings. Click on that to proceed. Now you'll be directed to your Google account settings. Look for the Security tab on the left sidebar and give it a click. This section contains all the security features related to your account. Finally, to review your recent security activity, simply click on Review Security Activity. This will show you a list of important activities, including sign-ins and any alerts, helping you stay informed about the security of your account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily monitor your recent security activity on Gmail. Don't forget to regularly check this section to ensure your account remains safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.